Drilling in composites is a challenging task. Problems such as delamination of the composite, uncut fibers or tears can occur when machining composites. These problems are often due to worn-out drilling tools. Drills and other milling tools wear out unpredictably due to the specific structure of the composites. This makes it hard to estimate when tools need to be replaced, as a good result is only achieved with a sharp tool. To solve this issue, Flanders Make has developed an optical measurement system that reconstructs the surface of the tool in 3D and detects wear. Because we measure in the CNC movable space, we can check a tool in seconds compared to a visual inspection that would take minutes. This is not only much faster, it's also much more cost-efficient as it doesn't require any human intervention. And above all, loss of product quality due to blunt milling tools can be prevented.